Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Selamat petang, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan. I'm Sean Abdul Muttalib, the captain for the flight. With me is First Officer Marco, Vilas Service of Serbia. With us in the cabin today, we have the crew of Mr. Omar, basically from Argentina, assisting him cabin supervisors in business class UAE and in economy in Sheikh Hilal from Kenya. Welcome on board our flight Emirates 347 bound for Dubai. We have closed all our doors. At the moment we're just waiting for air traffic clearance before we get on our way for departure out of Dubai's northern runway. For departure, as you can see, it just started raining. Might be a bit bumpy, however, it's a light rain report.